Want to know how to chain Dokkan attacks every battle? So chaining Dokkan attacks can wipe out enemies quickly. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can easily do it so that you can just simply win every battle or gain advantage of them. So chaining Dokkan attacks is very crucial and timing is everything. So make sure you position your units so types and link skills align properly. So make sure you trigger leader skills first to boost attack stats. Then rotate into the right sequence for maximum damage after that. Make sure you also save special items for critical turns to ensure your Dokkan attacks finish waves efficiently. And that's it. With careful planning, you can clear even the hardest events consistently in Dokkan battle. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.